Obviously, Collectiv solves a ton of business problems. I would say one of the biggest ones that we help our clients with is report conversion, specifically converting, let's say, from Excel to Power BI, ClickView to Power BI, or Tableau to Power BI. The first piece is really assessing what existing reports you have, and we do that by doing a report rationalization. So we're really trying to figure out, can we eliminate a report? Can we combine some reports to come up with a plan of what are those final sets of reports that need to be created first? Because a lot of times what happens is you may have 100 or 200 or even 300 reports in that other existing software, and that might actually turn out to be only 100 Power BI reports just because of what Power BI can bring to the table. Then the next piece is putting a plan together to do the conversion. And a lot of times what we'll do is we'll start with a small subset of reports that we can get some quick wins with and get buy-in across the organization. Because if it is a new tool like Power BI, adoption is key to make sure that it is successfully rolled out throughout the organization. So it's identifying a small subset of reports, getting buy-in from that group, and then using that group to basically be your champions or your cheerleaders throughout the organization to help them continue on that report conversion project inside your organization. And then once we've reached the final report, then it turns into training, continuous improvement, and other reports that can be built. If you're an organization that's looking to do some type of report conversion, whether that's from Click to Power BI, Excel to Power BI, or some other third-party tool into Power BI, Collectiv has the experience and the right consultants that have done this before and know the right way to roll out a project like this.